Hey everybody, I want to go over two more earnings trades. I don't know if you guys can see the sky behind me right here, but it's super orange out there. I thought it looked pretty. The two trades I want to go over, one is going to be Amazon. Let me erase all this. These are my personal trades. You guys don't need to know about those. On Amazon, we have them rated as a 6 out of 10. We gave them strikes of a 212.5 put, 212.5. And we gave their call as 235. Now this is a trade that I am taking, but not in the traditional sense of the long strangle for the earnings trades. I personally own a lot of Amazon, so I did a short strangle. I'm not going to give you the legs on those, but I essentially just have a covered call for the shares that I do own, and then I have a short put for an entry level if price does decide to drop all the way down there. Now today Amazon did close down 3%, but we did see this little rally up from right here. What is that? 7%. Not too bad. I really liked where they were at heading into earnings, so I decided I can add more shares if I want to, or I can exit my position at a comfortable level. The next company I want to go over is one that I'm not too big of a fan of, but it's Strategy, or ticker MSTR. They are rated, I believe, also a 6 out of 10, but I have not personally ever traded their earnings. It's just what the algorithm says. We gave them legs of a 242.5 put and a 267.5 call. So it looks like a pretty tight setup, but typically I do not like trading earnings when we see that during the trading day there is a large move. So today there was a 7.5% drop, and they're currently in this little drawdown right here. Let's call it 15%. So I wasn't a huge fan of this. This is not a trade that I personally took. I just thought it would be pretty popular amongst viewers, so I decided to go ahead and show you guys how I would have traded it if I did decide to enter this. Make sure you guys are keeping in mind these are not the only earnings trades that I personally do or that the algorithm is producing. I'm posting all of the earnings trades in my Discord group for any of the students. And make sure you guys are checking out my other earnings trades from this past week so you can see my personal performance. I'm going to be recording this weekend's videos ahead of time so I can enjoy my Halloween. Hopefully you guys are going to be checking those out, and you guys have a good weekend as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.